Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about phylum vertebra. So, if you remember, we finished invertebrates. We say that there were like 8 phylums which had lacking backbone, and we say that some of them were primitive and some of them had some advanced features, some interesting characteristics, and we covered that 8 phylums. So right now we're going to talk about ninth phylum, phylum chordata. So as these are animals with backbone, so we can call them as vertebrates as well. So let's start with some characteristics of these kind of animals. First of all, we have to say that fish, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and birds are going in that category, or we can classify these animals as chordate animals. And also, as humans are from mammal animals, so we can analyze their characteristics as characteristics of chordata. So starting with the symmetry, they got bilateral symmetry. It means cutting them from the internal part or cutting them to 2 pieces, both parts would be identical. They got 3 germ layers, means they are triploblastic, so their internal organs and structures are completed, so they are advanced organisms. They are segmented, they got segmented body, or might include segmented muscles. So if their body is not segmented, their muscles are segmented, so they got segments. And they got a single dorsal hollow nerve cord, as you can see, and also an interior enlarged brain attached to it, and also some nerve networks coming out from that nerve cord, which is making their nerve system. And about their heart or circulatory system, we can say that they got a ventral heart, and the heart is enclosed with veins and vessels. So all of them got closed circulatory system, means their blood is not coming out or running out from their blood vessels. So they got immune chordates animal got closed circulatory system. About their digestive system, they got complete digestive system, starting with the mouth, esophagus, stomach, large and small intestine, and liver as the helper for the digestive tract. They got respiratory tract, which include gills sometimes if they are aquatic, and lungs if they are terrestrial. And about their skeletal system, we can say that they might have skeleton made up of bones or cartilage, or they might have both of them. For example, in human, some parts of our body is cartilage, most of them are bones, so their skeleton might be cartilage and bone. And mostly they got endoskeleton. Their skeleton is internal. It means like muscles and skin is something which is covering their skeleton. If we compare their heart or circulatory system, we can see that they got different shapes for their heart. For example, in fish, we can say that their heart is composed of 2 portions or 2 parts, like 1 ventricle and 1 artery. So we can say 2 chambered or heart, which is a heart which got 2 parts. And about frogs, amphibians, they got 3 chambered heart, 2 arteries, 1 ventricle. And about reptiles, lizards and turtles, we can say they also got 3 chambered heart, 2 arteries, 1 ventricle. And crocodiles, birds, and mammals got 4 chambered heart, 2 arteries, and 2 ventricles. And the thing we have to notice is all of them got closed circulatory system. So about their brain evolution, we can say that their brain size is different according to different phylums, like in fish, amphibian, reptiles, birds, mammals, and humans, that their brains are adapted to doing different things or different features they got. For example, in animals, their brain is mostly adapted to hunt, to their lifestyle, and to the way they are feeding, to the way they are reproducing. Like in bird, brain is adapted to like the bird brain is adapted to make nests, for example. About their excretory system also, we can say that they might have different excretory systems. Like the most primitive excretory system is proniferous, then mesoniferous, and the most advanced is metaniferous. So chordates are classified into 3 groups basically, like phylum Urochordata. These are primitive chordatas. While they are small, while they are in larva stage, they can swim, they got some chordate features, but once they grow up, they are settling in one place and they are losing some of their chordate features and characteristics. The second group is phylum Cephalochordates. These are fish-like aquatic animals. They are lacking fins and also scale, but they are using from plankton inside the water, and most of the time they are burying themselves inside mud and sand inside the water. And last but not least, subphylum Vertebrates. So vertebrates, as we said, animals with backbone pieces, amphibians, reptiles, avians, and mammals are going in that category. And further, they classified vertebrates into superclass and 7 classes. So further, they say that vertebrate animals or animals with backbone can be classified in 2 ways. Like the first superclass pieces or fish, which are aquatic ones, and 4 other classes are classified under superclass tetrapods. So superclass pieces got 3 classes like agnata, chondroctites, osteoctites, and superclass tetrapod classified, and we can classify superclass tetrapod as amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammals.